building the right Ayurvedic plate, what, when, and how to eat. Before focusing on specific conditions or meal plans, it is important to understand a foundational principle of Ayurvedic nutrition. Health begins with meal. Many digestive problems do not arise simply from unhealthy foods. They often come because improper combinations, irregular timings, overeating, or eating in a way that overwhelms the digestion. So Ayurveda emphasizes on constructing a balanced plate, eating at the right time and supporting body's digestive capacity. Food as the foundation of health is put in classical Ayurvedic texts very repeatedly, describing food as the center factor influencing the health and disease. The idea is very simple but powerful that the body is built from what we eat. Food nourishes our bodies, tissues, supports our energy production, and it influences the immunity and mental clarity. When digestion is functioning well, food becomes nutritious. And when the digestion is weak or disturbed, the same food may produce discomfort or imbalance. This is why Ayurveda treats food not only as a sustenance but as a daily therapeutic tool. So let us understand the role of the digestive strength in Ayurvedic nutrition. And this is one of the most important considerations, which is digestive strength, often described as agni. Rather than assuming everybody's digest food in the same way, same manner, Ayurveda recognizes this depending on your constitution, your lifestyle, your stress levels, your eating habit. So there are 4 broad patterns commonly described. For balanced digestion, food here is digested very comfortably, steadily, regularly. One is irregular digestion, wherein the appetite fluctuates and the symptoms such as gas, bloating appears unpredictably. Overactive digestion is there, where hunger appears quickly and intensely, and sometimes it is accompanied by burning sensations, acidity, and there is weak digestion. That is, the food sits heavily inside the stomach and the energy feels sluggish, and the meals may produce fatigue. So understanding your digestive tendency determines the portion size, your food choices, and meal timings. This all togetherly as a structure is important. The structure of a balanced Ayurvedic plate, unlike rigid diet system, is where Ayurveda is not only prescribing a single universal meal structure, while it is following a principal guideline of constructing a balanced plate. A typical Ayurvedic meal often includes a grounding grain, example rice, millet, barley. These provide you steady energy in the form like the base of the meal. Then the protein source that is easy to digest forms the part. Legumes, green grams, moong dal are commonly recommended because they are very light than all other pulse. The cooked, semi-cooked vegetables provide you fiber, micronutrients, and digestive support. Cooking them with gentle spices improve the digestibility. Healthy fats in moderate amounts, like small amount of ghee and other appropriate fats, it nourishes, supports your tissue and the digestion. The digestive spices such as cumin, ginger, coriander, and fennel help stimulate the digestive activity and they reduce bloating. A simple example of a balanced Ayurvedic meal could be rice, moong dal, cooked vegetable, and a small amount of ghee seasoned with mild digestive spices. So this is the way. And why warm, fresh food matters? Because Ayurveda traditionally emphasizes freshly on prepared warm meals. This is the practical reason that this is recommended, that warm food is generally easier to digest and stimulates the digestive activity. Cold and refrigerated food may slow the digestion for some people, particularly for those who already experience bloating or sluggish digestion. This does not mean that everybody must avoid all cold food. However, for individuals experiencing digestive discomfort, warm and freshly prepared meals are often better tolerated. And there's also importance of meal timings. One of the most important overlooked aspect of digestion is when we eat it. Ayurveda observes that digestion tends to follow a natural daily rhythm. Midday 10 to 2 p.m. is considered to be the strongest and the ideal time for the largest meal of the day. A practical day rhythm may look like morning, traditionally 6 to 10 a.m., but digestion generally gradually wakes up. Light, warm food, midday, the peak time, 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. I repeat. So, digestive capacity tends to be strongest at this time for most substantial meal. Evening after sunset, digestion gradually slows down. The lighter meals are generally easier for body to process this time. Many people today eat the largest meal late at night when digestion is already slow. This contributes to heaviness, bloating, and disturbed sleep. Portion size, that is the middle part, another key Ayurvedic principle, involves the moderation in the portion size. Rather than eating until complete fullness is there, the traditional guidance suggests leaving some space in the stomach and allow the digestion to comfortably happen. A commonly cited guideline suggests roughly half the stomach to be full, to be filled with solid food, just half. So a small portion with liquids helps you. The remaining space is left for the digestive movement. So the practical takeaway is simple. Stop eating when comfortably satisfied, not when overly full. Signs of appropriate portion size includes feeling nourished but still light enough to move comfortably after the meal. And the food combinations that support digestion is already, like the important aspect for you. Ayurveda also pays attention to how foods are combined, and some combinations digest easily and support balance, and others they create digestive discomfort when eaten together. So common supportive combinations, they include the rice and the lentils, the cooked vegetables with grains, buttermilk with digestive spices, ginger with lemon before meals. Some combinations are traditionally considered more difficult to digest, particularly when digestive capacity is weak. These may include dairy combined with certain sour fruits, heavy proteins combined with milk, large mixtures of very different food types in a single meal. These ideas are based on traditional Ayurvedic observations about digestion. While not every person reacts the same way, simplifying food combinations often helps people with sensitive digestion. And supporting digestion with simple spices, Ayurveda frequently uses mild spices to support digestion rather than relying on restrictive diets. The common digestive spices include ginger to stimulate the appetite and reduce nausea, cumin to support the digestion and reduce the gas, fennel seeds to soothe the digestive tract, coriander to balance heat and support metabolism. Use moderately these spices as they will improve your digestibility of everyday meal. A practical example of Ayurvedic meal, a simple day of digestion friendly meals include, for mornings it is warm water followed by light breakfast such as vegetable porridge or lightly spiced grains. Lunch can be a balanced meal of rice or millets, moong dal, cooked vegetables or mild digestive spice. Evening meal has to be light, such as vegetable soup, khichdi, or lightly cooked grains with vegetables. This type of structure supports digestion without requiring complicated dietary rules. The bigger idea behind the Ayurvedic plate ultimately is the Ayurvedic approach to eating less and about more perfection and about more awareness and about more balance. A balanced plate considers digestive capacity, your meal timings, your food combinations, and the portion size. And to add here, it's the mental state during eating, which is so very important. When these elements work together, the digestion becomes more stable and predictable and healthy.